Welcome to Classic Pool, Spa, and Hearth, your one-stop shop to transform your backyard into a haven for enjoyment. At Classic, we blend quality craftsmanship with exceptional service to bring your backyard dreams to life. Our expert team specializes in designing and installing custom pools that perfectly fit your lifestyle. And for the ultimate relaxation experience, indulge in our luxurious hot tubs. From intimate spas to spacious tubs, we have the perfect option to soothe your body and soul. But we're more than just pools and spas. Classic Pool, Spa, and Hearth offers warmth and charm with our stunning Hearth products. Whether you prefer the crackle of a traditional fireplace or the contemporary elegance of a fire pit, we have something for every taste. Concerned about your pool water quality? Relax, we've got you covered with our professional water testing services at both of our locations in Clackamas and Beaverton. And don't forget to explore our wide selection of pool accessories from floats and toys to maintenance supplies and more. At Classic Pool, Spa, and Hearth, your satisfaction is our priority. Let us help you create the backyard oasis you've always dreamed of. Visit us today on our website to find our 2 locations and discover why Classic Pool, Spa, and Hearth is the go-to destination for all your summer needs.